when it just run through you. Gotta catch the beat.
Cause organize it, get rid of like winter shit or whatever. I don't know. I'm just trying to do it. I think the befores and afters be looking fire, so that's what I'm about to show you guys. Hey, I'm gonna do a before and after of this closet. It looks so bad. Toys or whatever that came out of there. I'm trying to get this together. This side needs to be reorganized and shit put back in here. Just wait till the after, y'all, okay? This is just a disaster. I have a bunch of clothes in there that needs to be put out. Just wait. Just wait.
Mr. Ben did that. Check it out. Let me holler at y'all real quick. Feel sorry for these niggas. Nigga keep my name in their mouth and I'm really tired of hearing. I don't even fuck around with these weirdos, I don't even want them near me. I ain't let shit slide over here, nigga, I'm tired of spearing. Let me fuck her face in the Tesla because I don't gotta steer it. Niggas kill me, worry about another nigga when they pockets empty. Niggas been hating on D-Money long as I can remember. I ain't tryna fit in or fuck with niggas, I'm fine with different. Back when I used to stand at the store, I had that Glocky with me. Me and Cat rode around.
You not touch the camera, baby, come here.
All night serving Jessica Simpson. I remember being broken down back.
Is that the camera? Yeah, good job. Okay, you can figure out what you want to do, baby.
Thank God I fixed it. I wake up, count my money, pop a perk and get busy. I don't mean it to my own horn, but niggas ain't fucking with me. Ain't no nigga ever gon' play me long as he make it piss. I threw it so deep in the throat, sound like Lil Doug Whistle. I ain't gon' ever live average, I'ma die that nigga. Ain't no nigga ever gon' play me long as he making pistols.
For the money. For the money.
Money first shit, man. Been having my way with
I ain't sorry. Nigga, no.
this shit.
Digital
shit,
ammo. Yeah.
That's merch. I would never wanna be you, nigga. We sticked up trying to lead a nigga. Bitch, eat up the but she vegan, nigga. Don't play with that boy, you not me.
Ah! Stop it. Stop it, stop it, stop it. No. I'm gonna kick your little ass out. You gonna be doing that. Alright. Okay. So all this little winter stuff, or like warmer crap, I gotta take these hangers off, so I'll be back.
Nigga. Track hard, not a regular G-la, nigga. This be bitch, I'm on it, ain't Chila, nigga.
Princess, the butterflies. Where is my crying? Whoa, you scared me.
Name's fine.
I know she's almost wrong. Damani, she's fine.
We back on my feet, I'm a different nigga. Catch your body and laugh while we cheaper, nigga. Money first, trying to count me some Chila, nigga. Still my thumb in the rest, I'm a freaky nigga. Cartier on my face, I can't see it, nigga. Lil' boy like to talk shit, I'ma treat a nigga. One thing about me, I ain't sweet, la nigga. Diamond dance on my neck, 3D, la nigga. Double park that stove, cause I'm street, la nigga. Drop a deuce in the T, he's a tree, la nigga. Had that Pepe on time, capiche, la nigga. Sauce in every department, flee, la nigga. 30 ball at the Glock, ain't shit sweet, la nigga. Keep it G, just add about me, la nigga. Young nigga been turned, be geek, la nigga. Drinking fit for the rummy with beans, la nigga. Give a fuck how you feel, I do me, la nigga. Don't watch me, watch TV, la nigga. I would never wanna be you, nigga. We sticked up trying to lead a nigga. Bitch eat up that dick, but she vegan, nigga. Don't play with that boy, you not me, la nigga. Track hard, not a regular G, la nigga. This be bitch, I'm on it, ain't Chila, nigga. We back on my feet, I'm a different nigga. Catch your body and laugh while we cheat for nigga.
Flamingo. Good time. When it just run through you, gotta catch the beat. Let me finish what the fuck I'm doing. Don't you? Honestly, don't even know the words. Nothing. And now what did I do?
Fuck yeah, nigga ain't even live like that, nigga. Faggot ass nigga.
Super cute. I got these for her. These to match her ones. Jelly shoes, matching. Can't go wrong with them. Jelly shoes. These ones are fire, y'all.
What is fire?
Y'all seeing those? I'm about to show them. Cute. Focus. The cover. There you go. Matching cute stuff.
Niggas ain't living like that, y'all niggas ain't living like that. Niggas ain't living like that, y'all niggas ain't living like that.
I put all their belts, they're all over the fucking place. Probably in my closet. I'm gonna get those together.
Mama?
Hold on, baby. These for y'all headbands and stuff. Let me see what else I gotta do. We gotta let on this side, and then we're gonna come over here, organize my baby girls.
Niggas ain't living like that, y'all niggas ain't living like that. Niggas ain't living like that. Fuck nigga, you ain't even live like that, bitch. Niggas ain't living like that. Niggas ain't never been in no gym. Niggas ain't stood on no block, they ain't sold no dope in no alley. Why not? Niggas ain't been pulled over, had to stash that bag in they ass.
I'm working on getting extra super organized, set something up. Love to do. So I made these boxes. You can see the names. So right here, it says Montse. Don't mind my nails, y'all. It says Montse. This one says Butt, and it's like first birthday stuff and just important first and like stuff like that. Bellical cords, all that stuff. I'm working on the baby books and photo albums and stuff. You know how that stuff takes time, especially when you're always busy. This is Mavis, and I didn't have that many letters, but I put MM because her name is Maybe Me and They. You know? We're gonna organize her little sandals because she got a bunch! A bunch! Bunch!
Shut up!
Can you focus? Can you focus? Y'all should just see my booty move. Alright, I'm gonna get copyrighted, but I don't give a fuck. This one's gonna get copyrighted anyways. They all got
Niggas ain't ride nobody, put that big 4-5 to his head. Bitch! Niggas ain't run on no side blow at all, they ain't got it right back. Nope. Niggas ain't had no head in the whip, ain't hit from the back. Why not? Nigga ain't never woke up, skipped school just to rob niggas' cribs. Nigga ain't never went to see no judge knowing they high as hell. Niggas ain't living like that, y'all niggas ain't living like that. Niggas ain't living like that, y'all niggas ain't living like that. Niggas ain't living like that, y'all niggas ain't living like that. Niggas ain't living like that. Fuck nigga, you ain't even live like that, bitch. Nigga ain't living like that, ain't had no roses in the crib. Nigga ain't had to go to school with the same shit on from last year. Lame, man, nigga. Niggas ain't never did shit, yeah, lady 12 can't come get them. Nigga ain't never had a nigga hating on him, he supposed to be with you, merch.